Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Enduro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. Let me close it and open it again actually, like this. Once you open the app you should see the My Day page. Now tap on the menu icon to open the menu, scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, select your Enduro 2 from the list of devices, and you should see the device page for your Enduro 2. Now tap on the More Options icon here in the top right corner, select Remove Device and tap on Remove. Now we can tap on the settings. This should redirect us to the Bluetooth settings, and here we need to check if we have the Enduro 2 on the list. If it is here, tap on the settings icon, tap on Forget, tap on Forget Device to disconnect it. And now we can close the settings or go back to the app. And if you reopen the app and check the Garmin devices, the Enduro 2 should be gone. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.